The Japanese Green Tea Company is happy to offer you an authentic tea experience. Our traditional bamboo whisks are made to help you produce the perfect cup of matcha every time. Unlike the low-quality 40 to 60 prong whisks available on the market, our authentic 100 prong design is considered the highest grade and is used for high-end tea ceremonies in Japan. Made using high-quality and 100% natural bamboo, our matcha whisk is designed to last a long time. Use it to bring tradition and quality to your everyday routine or ceremonial tea parties. Our design blends your matcha smoothly, creating just the right amount of froth on your green tea. Enjoy truly authentic and delicious matcha with our authentic traditional bamboo whisk. The Japanese Green Tea Company, harvested with love in Japan.